Hello, everyone, and welcome to a new virtual learning experience. We're coming to you live from the band room now. Just want to go over a couple of really quick things. We'll make this a short video. There's no assignments in here. I just want to run through how it's going to work so you see what's going on. First off, as you can see, we just made a new topic in the classroom. So all of your classes are going to have this virtual learning material area, and this is where you can find the materials. Starting tomorrow, we'll have new materials here for each class, and you can look in here to find out what's going on each week. So tomorrow, I'm probably not going to put week 2. I'll just put dates, like materials for these 2 days. So tomorrow you're going to get materials for Thursday and Friday. Monday you'll get materials for all week. Okay, and then theoretically, hopefully we'll be back in school after that. So this is going to be where you're going to find your stuff now. It's in the Google Classroom under the classwork tab. So it's not spread out. Now in here, you'll probably find links to assignments. Those assignments are still going to appear by chapter, but this is going to be your kind of main stomping ground for virtual learning materials. Secondly, we have office hours again. This is our setup. You guys have seen this before. So if you were my first hour, this is messed up. I'm sorry, first hour U.S. history class, this is correct. Then you're going to see me on Tuesday at 10 to 10:30. We want a lot of people to go to office hours. It's one of the ways we're keeping track of our students this year. I know last time we said only show up to office hours if you have a question. That's kind of different. We want everybody to show up if they can. We can answer any questions you have there. You can get help if you need it. So if you're third hour World History 7, I'll see you on Wednesday at 10 to 10:30, et cetera, et cetera. Now this week, if we're only going to do the Thursday and Friday ones. So I'm only going to see during office hours my 5th hour and my 7th hour. In the video that I'm going to hand out tomorrow, you're going to see we're going to set aside a special time to meet for anybody who has questions for tests coming up. But there's that. Next, if you guys remember before, this is a very important video right here. Video on how to use the checklist for virtual learning. That explains exactly how my class is set up, everything that you need. I think a lot of people did not watch that last time and got really confused and kept emailing me asking for materials. Everything's in the checklist that I'm going to make. So this is the checklist from the last time we did it real quick. Everything you needed was in here. Okay, everything you needed to know, everything you needed to get a hold of, everything you needed to hand in, all of the links were in here. So you went to Tuesday, you did things in this order, and here's everything you needed to have. So there's a whole video on how to use the checklist. Please spend the time to watch it. I think it's 2 minutes. It's 2 minutes long. 2 minutes is all you need. Okay, so watch that video. It's the same. I'm going to do things exactly the same this time. No reason to reinvent the wheel. So watch that video. Fourth, email me any questions that you have. Fourth, email me any questions that you have. That's how we communicate during virtual learning. If we're really confused, I can set up a really quick Zoom meeting with you and answer any questions that you have. Okay, last but not least, and here's the big one, guys. You ready for this? Watch the videos. Okay, last time we did virtual learning, I had a lot of kids not watch the videos, try to do the assignments, and do really bad. Watch the videos. Okay, there's not only going to be like notes information in there, but there's going to be explanations of the assignment, mistakes not to make. Everything I could possibly tell you is going to be in that video. Sometimes they're longer than 10 minutes. I'm really sorry to bum you out and make them so long, but there's important information in there. So watch the videos. Repeat after me. Watch the videos. Yes, please do that. Okay, life is so much easier when you watch the videos. I know you might think it's a waste of time because it's not a TikTok and I'm not dancing. Okay, but it's really important you watch the videos. Videos make your life so much easier. Please, please, please watch the video. Tomorrow, you'll get your first checklist with your first assignments. And here's a hint for both of my classes. There's a test coming up, and we're just getting ready. We're getting ready for the test. So please email me if you have any questions. Thank you very much. Have a good day.